Welcome to School of Economics and Business, University of Ljubljana. My name is Miha and I'm going to introduce you to our school using our core values. We have 6 core values, we have 6 speakers, and 7 including me, and you know that 7 fits in every fairy tale. First, let's meet the Dean.
Hi Miha, dear all, welcome to our triple accredited school, which is also recognized as a school with high social impact. Integrity is our core value. Although we want to develop a very pleasant working environment with a smell of international coffee within which our students can develop different social contacts and interactions, we also highly encourage hard work with sharp analytical thinking, and we educate responsible individuals who are within diverse teams capable to solve demanding business and social challenges and look for sustainable solutions for our better future life.
We're at the library where Alyosha is already waiting for us.
Hi Miha. At our school, we are eager to learn. That's why we're continuously looking for ways to expand our knowledge. Right now, we are setting up a behavioral lab, which will help us bring in knowledge from other fields such as neuroeconomics, such as neuroscience, cognitive science, psychology, and so on. The lab will host just about any conceivable measurement gadget that will help us doing so.
We are entering the Multimedia room, and let's take a look at what's going on here.
So here with us is Gal, co-founder of BusyCoin. Gal, can you share with us your story?
Well, of course, I would love to. Actually, we began developing the idea under mentorship of Professor Pusavar at the beginning of this year. But at the present moment, we have already opened up LLC and have 30 plus satisfied customers. As a startup, I would say that is quite an achievement.
Here's the gallery. Judita, what's it like being surrounded with creativity?
Creativity is embedded into many processes at our business school. We encourage our students to be creative in the implementation of their multiple intelligences. Our gallery is a source of inspiration for many of our stakeholders during the last 30 years. I like going to the classes past our gallery.
We are in the biggest hall at our school, and here is Tamara.
Hi, I'm Tamara Trusch. I'm a professor here at the School of Economics and Business at the University of Ljubljana, but I'm neither from Ljubljana, nor do I do economics and business. I'm actually a sociologist, and I spent most of my life in the US and got my PhD at Harvard. So for me, it's all about interdisciplinarity, cooperation, diversity, and the most important value is inclusiveness.
We are at the lecture rooms, and here is Abood.
Hi, my name is Abood. I am an international student at CEBLU. First I arrived in Ljubljana, I didn't know what to expect. Now I feel very great. You can feel the serious working atmosphere, but it's very kind and friendly at the same time. So after all, respect is important, and welcome to Ljubljana.